Contamac are a manufacturer of contact lens buttons. This is the raw material that a contact lens will turn into. So we sell all over the world to laboratories, and we manufacture everything here in Saffron Walden. CompuTec Process Force in this business now is the lifeblood of the business. It's kind of the heartbeat of the business. It runs through everything that we do from a manufacturing, financial, stock control, sales, purchasing perspective. Contamac went through the whole implementation phase with Sapphire Systems, who were the leaders within Process Force as well as SAP Business One. And it's just the way that Process Force integrates with SAP Business One gives this company so much flexibility and so much functionality that the business utterly relies on it. It's become synonymous with business process, and it has enabled this business to really review where it was going. It really reviewed the business processes and workflows, and kind of fit very much hand in hand with good practice. We use PDC, as well as it giving us control of the weighing. It also then is perfectly integrated into SAP, so it produces the pick order, which enables our guys to check it before actually issuing the material in SAP itself. It gives the costs and the exact batches that were issued, the materials issued within the manufacturing order, the accurate time bookings to give us good visibility of how long each process took and the cost associated to those times. And also enables us to do the receiving. So we use CompuTec WMS across the business. Anybody who handles any inventory uses WMS to move the stock around. We have strict control over the inventory, and WMS enables all users very easily, very seamlessly to move the stock around. We also use it across the board for the issue of materials, for the receipting of materials, and also for batch checking. We find it very intuitive. It gives us a lot of power at our fingertips that we've never had in this company. It is so easy to use and intuitive and very clear that it's been adopted extremely well, to the point now that a lot of people rely on it, and it just gives a lot of flexibility. Everything we do is very strictly batch controlled, and as such, everything from the raw materials to the manufactured product, all the way to finished goods, require very clear, well-made labels, and we use CompuTec labels for that process. The successful implementation and adoption of SAP Business One and CompuTec software, including Process Force, have really given this company a solid platform for which to grow. And it has absolutely enabled us to flourish over the last few years. There is no doubt that SAP and CompuTec software are now an integral part of this business.